Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, Samsung's latest budget fitness tracker. Let's check out the box, see what's inside, and go over its features and performance. Let's get started. Inside the box, you get the Galaxy Fit 3 tracker, a magnetic charging cable, a quick start guide. No power adapter included, pretty standard from Samsung nowadays. The Galaxy Fit 3 has a 1.6-inch AMOLED display, which is much larger than the previous Fit 2. Bright, colorful, and easy to read even in sunlight. The band is lightweight, slim, and super comfortable, perfect for workouts or all-day wear. Now, let's talk features. The Galaxy Fit 3 includes, screen, 1.6-inch AMOLED. Resolution, 256 by 402 pixels. Build, aluminum case with a lightweight design, approximate 18.5 G without the band. Battery life, up to 13 days on a single charge under typical usage. Charging, magnetic fast charging, reaches 65% in approximately 30 minutes. Battery capacity, 208 mAh. Notifications for calls, texts, and apps. Music control and camera control, when connected to your phone. It's also IP68 rated, so it's water and dust resistant, great for fitness and outdoor use. For fitness and health tracking. The Galaxy Fit 3 has heart rate monitoring, 24/7. Sleep tracking with sleep stages and snore detection, when paired with a phone. SpO2, blood oxygen, monitoring. Stress tracking. Step counter, calories burned, and distance. Supports over 100 workout modes. Auto workout detection, for select exercises. Overall, the Galaxy Fit 3 is a great budget-friendly fitness tracker. You get a sleek design, essential health features, and solid battery life, all at a very reasonable price. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Fit 3. Would you buy it? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech unboxings and reviews.